When we initially started BE, the focus was meant to be importing a large volume of waste cooking oil from overseas. We were then going to manufacture it locally and support the mines and the fishing industry. The idea was to focus on biodiesel, but it has evolved and changed quite a bit since then. There was a lot of economic downturn, and we've since had to sort of evolve our company and change it. So it's now resulted in quite a few different products, which we're quite excited about. We ended up doing this whole hygiene range and upping the production and decreasing our production on biofuel. The idea of circular economy is definitely new in Namibia. There are a lot of companies that recycle. Most of their recycled material ends up in South Africa. There are one or two companies that actually recycle mainly used motor oil. But otherwise, when it comes to the concept of circular economy, I think it's relatively new in Namibia. So it's all fun and well having the machine, but we also need the feedstock, and you need the support and the local buy-in and the mindset. So those have been our big challenges, to get enough feedstock to be able to support this big machine, and obviously educating everybody that biofuel is the way forward as an alternative fuel to diesel, and then making sure that our price is right so people can afford it. There are a lot of possibilities for us, but the actual machine is just the starting point. From there, it obviously is going to grow and develop. The idea is to make Namibia sustainable and to look after itself, and to be able to manufacture locally and support local. And I think it's quite evident during COVID, when all our borders were shut, how reliant we are on all the other SADC countries for all our goods and materials. So this is a good way to show that Namibia can manufacture locally. The fact that we're using green product or waste to repurpose it is something that I think is definitely beneficial to the House of Namibia. So our role in the Namibian House is to promote the fact that waste can be turned into something useful, can be repurposed, and it doesn't need to be dumped. By doing that, you can support local economy, you can buy local products, and making our house a little bit greener.